Hello students, we have already discussed exercise 14.1, 14.2, 14.3. Now we discuss exercise 14.4. This is your statics unit. Now we discuss example 10. 5 people were asked about the time in a week they spend in doing social work in the community. They said 10, 7, 13, 20 and 15 hours respectively. Find the mean or average time in a week devoted by them for social work. We have already studied now we write first formula of mean. Sum of all observation upon number of observation. So we write mean equal to sum of all observation upon total number of observations. Mean equal to mean represented by x bar is equal to 10 plus 7 plus 13 plus 20 plus 15. Again repeat 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 20 plus 15 upon 5. Total number 5. And their addition 65 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. Your mean is 13. Hence, mean or average time in a week devoted by them for social work is 13 hours. 13 hours. 13 hours. Now, example 11. First method, do yourself. Similarly as example 10. Now we discuss second method. First, make table 14.12. Find the mean of the marks obtained by 30 students of class 9th of a school given in example 2. This is your first method, sum of all observation upon number of observation, and you get mean 59.3. Do this example as 10. Now we discuss this example by second method. Now we use the example second of example 11. This is your second example and this is your table. Marks, number of students and tally marks. Now we write marks and number of students. 10 1 ja 10, 20 1 ja 20, 36 multiply 3 108, 40 multiply 4 160, 50 multiply 3 150, 56 multiply 2 112, 60 multiply 4 240, 70 multiply 4 280, 72 multiply 1 72, 80 multiply 1 80, 88 multiply 2 176, 92 multiply 3 276, 95 multiply 1 95. Sum of all frequency, that is 30. Sum of all summation of Fi Xi, that is 1779. Now formula of mean equal to summation I equal to 1 to n Fi Xi upon summation of I equal to 1 to n Fi. Now we write summation I equal to 1 to n Fi Xi. This is your 1779. Summation of I equal to 1 to n Fi that is 30. Now we take one decimal place, remove 10. Now divide by 3. 3 5 ja 15, 17 minus 15 2, 2 7 27, 3 9 ja 27, 0.33 ja 9, that is 59.3. This is your required mean. This is your second method. Now we discuss example 12. The height in centimeter of 9 students of a class are as follow. Find the median of this data. First we write this data in ascending order. First of all, we arrange the data in ascending order are as follows. Smallest value is 144, 144, 145, 147, 148, 149, 150, 152, 155, 160. First we write in ascending order. Now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 observations. So n equal to 9, which is an odd. Which is an odd. So formula of median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Value of n is 9. 9 plus 1 upon 2th. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 upon 2, 5. 10 upon 2, 5. Fifth observation. And now we count fifth observation, first observation, second observation, third observation, fourth observation. This is your fifth observation, that is 149. Hence we write 149 centimeter. Hence median height is 149 centimeter. Now we discuss very most important example 12 and 13. Now we discuss example 13. The points scored by a Kabaddi team in a series of matches are as follows. First we write in ascending order. Arranging the points scored by the team in ascending order, we get smallest value is 2, 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10, 10, 14, 15, 17, 8, 18, 24, 27, 28, and 48. Now in ascending order. Now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 observations. So value of n is 16, which is an even number. And this is your odd number. Formula of median for when n is odd. Now we write when n is even. So formula of median is equal to n upon 2th plus n upon 2 plus 1th upon 2. Value of n is 16. So we write 16 upon 2th plus 16 upon 2 plus 1th observation upon 2. 16 upon 2th observation means 8th observation. 8th plus 1, 9th observation upon 2 observation. 8th observation and 9th observation. Now we count first observation, second observation, third observation, fourth observation, fifth observation, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term. Eighth term is 10 and ninth term is 14. We get eighth and ninth term. So we write eighth term is 10 and ninth term is 14. So we write 10 plus 14 upon 2. 10 plus 14 upon 2. 10 plus 14 upon 2. We get 24 upon 2 and that is 12. Hence, median of the points scored by the team equal to 12. Now do example 10, 11, 12, 13 in your fair notebook. Thank you.